Hello friend, and welcome back to another video. So you can see that is fuel injector, and this one also fuel injector. We going to change replace on this car, that is Mercedes Benz. The car have problem about pickup issue and jerking, missing, like that. Then we going to change fuel injector, ignition coil, spark plug, like that. Everything about rated ignition, spark plug, injector, and fuel injector, spark plug, and ignition coil. Then the bank one side is trouble, and bank another side, bank one two, that is everything is okay. Then we are that is we going to change. After change, inshallah, car is problem solved, because we are check on the scanner everything, that we find fault for fuel injector, because the showing rating is high. About rating is showing very high. That is, thank you, thanks for watching.